Now let's go to the next letter. Here it's kha, kha, and the sound is kha, kha. When it's isolated like this, it has one dot above. When it is initial, we cut this part and we keep only the upper part, and in the middle like this. And at the end, we restore the part in the bottom. This is kha. As you see, the letter kha is written just like ha, which we studied before, as in Ahmad, Muhammad, Mahmoud, with the addition of one dot on the top. So this is kha. If you delete the dot, it will be ha. And if you remember, I told you before that there is another letter which has the dot here in the middle, below it or in the here. So we haven't studied that letter yet. So there are three letters which share this shape. We studied ha, now we study kha, and the third letter, we will study it later on. Now let's read this word, which means my brother. Now you understand that my means ye at the end. Ye, like ismi, my name, abi, my father, ummi, my mother, bayti, my house, if you remember that. What about this? It's alif, kha, and ya. Akhi, 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 my brother. And this alif and kha and ta and then ya. The alif has dhamma, and then kha has sukoon. So what will it be? Ukh, ukh. Then ti, ukhti. Ukhti is my sister. So akhi, ukhti. Read this sentence. I love my brother, and this one, I love my sister. أحب أخي. And this, أحب أختي. We studied before that I means أنا. We don't have to say أنا أحب أخي. We don't have to do that. But we can, but we don't have to. So, I love my brother can be أنا أحب أخي or only أحب أخي. I love my sister أحب أختي or أنا أحب أختي. A new letter. This is ha, ha, like H exactly. Ha. When it's isolated, it's like this. When it is initial, like this. When it is in the middle, like this. And when it is at the end, it looks like this. Look again and write. You see how it is written? You can stop the video and try to write it many times until you master that. Now let's go to the words. This word is composed of only two letters and this word as well. What about this? This is ha plus waw. Ha here is connected. So we write it like this and it has dhamma. So it will be what? Ha or he or hu. Hu. Wa. Huwa. 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 He. And what about she? It's also ha plus ya here. And ha here has kasra, not dhamma. So we say he plus ya. Hiya. Hiya. So huwa, hiya. He and she. What about this? It means here. Hu, na, huna. Huna. What about this? Ha, la. Hal. Hal. It means am, is, are, verb to be, verb to have, verb to do in the beginning of yes or no question. It doesn't have equivalent in English, this word. There is no word in English which means hal. But it's like, for example, when you say, are you a student? So here in Arabic we say hal, hal. What about this long word? It's composed of 5 letters. Mim, ha, noon, dal, and what is this? Seen. The meme here has dhamma. The ha, when it is in the middle, it's written like this, as you see. The noon has sukoon. The dal has kasra, and then seen. So it will be mu, ha, n, muhan. Then da, do, or di. It's kasra, so it's d. This. Muhandis. Muhandis. Muhandis means engineer. Now, this word, alif, lam, and another lam, and then ha. This is the word Allah. Allah. As you may notice, here there is alif. We pronounce alif, long vowel, in the middle. We say Allah. But this alif is only pronounced but not written. So this is Allah. Can you read this? Allah is one. Allahu, the ha here has dhamma. Allahu. What about this? It's waw followed by alif, long vowel, and the ha has kasra. So what will it be? Wahid. Wahid. Allahu wahid. What about this? He is my father. Huwa abi. Huwa abi. And this one, she is my mother. Hiya ummi. Hiya ummi. Hiya ummi. Huwa abi. Hiya ummi. And this one, huwa akhi. He is my brother. Huwa akhi. Hiya ukhti. She is my sister. Hiya ukhti. Can you read this question? Are you Ahmed? Here we say hal, because this is what's called in English yes or no question. The answer will be yes or no, na'am or la. What is this? هل أنت أحمد? هل أنت أحمد? And what about this? Take your time, look and think, and then listen to me. What about this? Are you Hanan? هل أنت حنان؟ هل أنت حنان? And this one, are you a teacher? هل أنت معلم؟ هل أنت معلم؟ Next one. هل أنت مهندس؟ هل أنت مهندس؟ Are you an engineer? The next one. هل. This is أنت or أنتِ? أنتِ, because here the ta has كسرة. هل أنتِ مينا. مينا, and we join it with the next word. We say minal. This alif in the beginning of this word is not pronounced. So we say minal Yaman. Are you, for female, from Yemen? هل أنت من اليمن? The next one. Is he أنس? هل هو أنس? أنس is a male name. هل هو أنس? The next one is she سماح. هل هي سماح. هل هي سماح. What about this? B plus sa with sukun, so it will be bisa or bisi or bisu or bis. Sukun, no vowel. Bis. Bismi. Then this word is Allah, but when we join the two words, or when we connect them, it becomes Bismillah. Here we don't say Allah, but say La, because it's preceded by kasra. When the word Allah is preceded by kasra, like here, it becomes La. So we say Bismillah, not Bismillah. No. Bismillah, and the alif here becomes silent. Again, listen to me again. Bismillah. And this one, Alhamdu Lillah. Here it's not Allah because it doesn't have alif. So here it's for Allah or to Allah. Praise be to Allah. Alhamdu Lillah. So this is Bismillah and this is Alhamdulillah.